What happens when you combine my two favorite things, coffee and musical theater, into one video? You get musical theater inspired coffee drinks. Hey everybody, my name is Nate Plummer. I'm an actress coach and the founder of Stage Door Unlocked. I love coffee just about as much as I love musical theater, so I thought to help us celebrate the 2019 Tony Awards, we would create musical theater inspired coffee drinks to celebrate each one of the nominees for Best Musical here in 2019. We're gonna kick off our series with the brand new musical, Tootsie.
Tootsie is based on the 1982 movie of the same name, which tells the story of Michael Dorsey, an actor with a bad reputation who has to dress up as his new alter ego, Dorothy Michaels, in order to book work.
To celebrate Tootsie, we're gonna have a Tootsie Roll flavored mocha. As our inspiration for this drink, we're going to use the show's poster, which features Santino Fontana in his bright sparkling dress and caramel colored wig while covered in shaving cream. To recreate this in our drink, we're gonna have our Tootsie Roll flavored mocha, but we're gonna add some cherry syrup to represent the dress. We're gonna top everything off with whipped cream to be our shaving cream, and then we're gonna drizzle some caramel across the top to represent his caramel colored wig. Finally, to top everything off, we're gonna use some red sugar sprinkles to represent the sequins on his dress. Let's do this.
To make this drink, you're going to need hot fudge, cherry syrup, some caramel, and red sprinkles. We need to first grind our espresso into our portafilter. I'm going to be using Stage Door Unlocked's very own blackout blend espresso to make this drink.
You heard that right. We have our own blend of coffee. That's how seriously we take coffee here at Stage Door Unlocked. In all seriousness though, all the proceeds from the sales of the coffee that we sell go to help young performers who maybe need a little extra funding to afford their training. If you'd like to buy your own bag of coffee and support our coffee program, you can visit us at www.stagedoorunlocked.com/coffee. Back to the recipe.
Put your hot fudge into your steaming pitcher. Then add in your cherry syrup. Add in whatever kind of milk you'd like and fill it up to the desired amount. Now it's time to steam your milk. Pour your shot of espresso into your cup and then pour in your steamed milk. Top it off with some whipped cream. Drizzle on that caramel. And decorate it with those red sugar sprinkles.
There you go, there's our Tootsie inspired mocha. If you'd like the recipe for this, you can find it down in the description box below. All right, I'm gonna wrap up this video here because I don't want it to drag on too long. Get it? Tootsie, drag. My clients told me I'm only allowed to do one bad musical theater joke per video, so I saved this one for the end. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe so you get notified whenever I post a new video. If you'd like to learn more about what we've got going on at Stage Door Unlocked, you can find out all kinds of info on our website, www.stagedoorunlocked.com. Make sure you come back tomorrow to check out our Beetlejuice-inspired drink. That's it for this video. You're awesome, be awesome, and I'll see you next time.